Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Samsung account and confirming Samsung Cloud is visible in Settings. Once signed in, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and your battery won't die mid-upload. Plug in if needed. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, then tap Samsung Cloud to enter storage controls. This ensures uploads won't pause or consume mobile data. Now that you're inside Samsung Cloud, move to selecting which photos to upload and enabling sync options. Once in the gallery, tap the album or view you want and use Select to pick individual images or select all for a full backup. This gives you control over what goes up. Then return to Samsung Cloud and enable Gallery Sync. If you prefer manual control, use Upload Now. Make sure you choose the upload quality and toggle videos if you want them backed up too, because higher quality uses more storage and bandwidth. After confirming settings, start the upload and watch the progress indicator. You finish by verifying uploads in Samsung Cloud Storage View and scanning the uploaded items list to confirm everything arrived. If an upload stalls, try toggling Gallery Sync off and back on, or clear the Samsung Cloud Cache in App Settings and retry. This often resolves stuck transfers. If problems persist, reboot the phone and ensure the Samsung Cloud and system software are up to date. One key tip: if uploads repeatedly fail, switch to a different Wi-Fi network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.